Is Ravina. The certification which we have done, the first one was digital marketing. That was very much effective and that was very much beneficial for us in a way that there was some practical knowledge as well, and there was more theoretical in digital marketing. On that we have learned how to make websites, and also we have learned that how to create pages of your own business account. Apart from that, in sales and negotiation, which sir was taking, in that there was more practical knowledge, and that was very much beneficial for us in a way that if we will go to some sales and negotiation part in our future, then that how we are going to tackle with the situation and how that situation is going to be helpful for us. Thank you.